In number 1, we're asked to sketch the graph of a piecewise function. We'll start by setting up two data tables, one for each piece. We'll label each one. And notice both tables start with 0. The x values, or domain values, for the first table are x less than or equal to 0. So we'll put a closed endpoint here to remember that 0 is included in the domain of this function. The other domain values would be those less than 0. We'll plug in those values to get our y values, and 0 plus 1 is 1, negative 1 plus 1 is 0, and so on. For the second function, notice that our domain values are x greater than 0. So I'm going to put an open endpoint next to the 0, and our additional domain values will be 1, 2, 3, and so on. In order to get the range values, we'll just plug into that function above, substituting 0 for x. We first get 3 minus 0 is 3, 3 minus 4 is negative 1, 3 minus 8 is negative 5, and 3 minus 12 is negative 9. Now let's go over here and plot those values. We'll start with the first part of the function. We have a closed endpoint at 0, 1, and then we have additional points at negative 1, 0, negative 2, 1, and negative 3, 2. For the other piece of the function, remember we have an open endpoint at 0, 3, another point at 1, negative 1, 2, negative 5, and so on. And there's our piecewise function.